Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be going over some computer science tips. So the first question we ask ourselves is, what is coding? Last week I gave you the opportunity to explore a website called www.code.org. If you went to that website, you explored and you looked for some programming games. In that website, you discovered that you could code, you can program. So what is that? Boys and girls, so last week you were a programmer and you were writing lines of code in which you gave the computer or your iPad directions. You were able to push a keyboard, press on a mouse, or even with your finger. You were able to give commands on how to code. So we will be exploring that website a little bit more. I will go over some of the things that I want my kindergarteners to practice, some of the things I want my first graders to practice, and so on in the next following video. So remember, when you're a coder, you are a programmer. You're telling the device or the computer what to do. Happy Friday, boys and girls. Hope you have fun coding. Boys and girls, our objective for today will be to code, to program. You will be going to Chrome. Once you're in Chrome, a window will pop up. And you might have some little boxes below Google, below the search or the URL. So you see I have Success Maker, Spectrum, Bookmarks, Reading List, and you could see my history or my recent tabs. Some of you might have code if you used it last week. If you don't have it, it's okay. Type it, and it might already populate for you because you used it last week. But don't forget, you could still type www.cod.org. This will take you to an amazing website on computer science. This website is designed for you, for every single age group, for every single person using an Android, using an iPad, using a computer. It's designed for you to learn computer programming with internet or without internet. So what you are going to do is, if you have not watched the video on Learn Computer Science, Change the World, you will watch the video right here at the bottom where it says watch video, and watch the video because you'll have important people in this video like Mark Zuckerberg and any other people like authors and computer scientists that will talk to you more about computer science, including Bill Gates. So go ahead and watch that video if you have a chance, if you haven't done so. After you watch that video, scroll down and go to do an hour of code. Once you're there, it says hour of the code activities from code.org. These are all free. You don't have to create accounts, so do not create accounts. You're in the exploring phase. Go under view activities. Once you are there, you will see that there's different categories. Like last week, maybe you discovered them. If you're in right here on the side, Classroom Technology, unclick Android because you might be using an iPad or a phone. So you make sure if you are using a computer, you would click computer. An Android, you would click an Android. These are the games that will be compatible to the device you are using. Most of you will be using an iPad, so I've selected iPad for you right there. Pre-reader would be for kinder, first grade. And you could do most popular, like which are the games that kinder and first grade are playing the most. So Candy Quest, this one is one of my favorite. It's really good. We've played it in the classroom before. We've programmed the little monster. We've created a monster to find the candy. He's on a quest. He's on a search for candy. That one's a good one. And Code Monkey Junior is also a good one for kinder. There's some there that are good for you. Barbie is a good one. So what you do is you would select a game or programming game. If you're in 2nd to 5th grade, select one here. Dance Party is a popular one. It has many options. Don't forget, you might need to be wearing headphones because you might be changing the music constantly. So Dance Party is a favorite. Okay, you get to design your own party, music, and you need to have your characters move to your music and to your beat. We have Minecraft. We have Star Wars, popular one. Dragon Blast, one of my favorites. Remember, you do not need to create an account. Like if I select Dragon Blast and I put start, it should automatically take me there. As you can see, it will take me to tinker.com and I just click on play now and it has 24 puzzles for coding. On some of these, I might have to read, I might have to ask for help. You should only spend about your 40 minutes, your specials time, unless you have a little bit more time. These will not save your progress. I don't think it does. But I'm working on creating an account so then that way you can save your progress. So here you would start your coding game and you would select. And that would be my character. Takes me to Tinker. I'm gonna close it. And then if you're in 6th grade, we should be moving forward into these programming. Some of you have already done them. Challenge yourself to do a different one. So challenge yourself. So that is how you find games. So go ahead and go there, explore the website, always go all grades too if you want to do that, and click on most popular. And it'll take you to the most popular games that students program, they code. It's part of computer science. Everything is free. You should not be paying for anything or signing up for anything. This should be for you to learn how to program, for you to learn about characters. So explore the website and then have your parents, or you can send me a message through Dojo, through Class Dojo, and let me know which programming game you liked. Have a good weekend, boys and girls.